Hi, today we're going to be talking about ionization energy. So ionization energy is the energy required to remove an electron from the atom. Okay, and for ionization energy, you need to know thing. Atoms have shells. They have the nucleus and they have electron shells. Atoms want to have a full shell or a half shell. So let's take 2p6 for example. They want the overall goal, they want a full shell. So any other extra electrons, let's say the element we're talking about here, let's say the element we're talking about here has another one that is 3s1. Alright. It will really want to lose this one to have a filled shell. Or it can also accept this. So a full shell is the best, but a half shell is also better. So if this element is 2p4, then its ionization energy will not be very high because it wants to get rid of this one to have a half filled circle. It's not as good as a full one, but it's better than nothing. And then if you have a full shell, it's going to be really hard to lose one because it doesn't want to give one away. It wants to keep in its fulfilled state. So let's give an example of boron of 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Over here, it has a full shell. So it's going to really easily lose this electron. So the ionization energy will be relatively low. Now, if you have barium, which is Be, which is 1s2, 2s2. This one has a full shell already. So it doesn't really want to it doesn't really want to have one of its electrons be removed. So the ionization for this one will be relatively higher. Now let's look at another example over here. We have oxygen, which is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. It's in this situation right now. It really wants to get rid of an extra electron so that it can become 2p3 and have a half-filled shell. So its first ionization energy will be relatively low again. First ionization energy is basically the energy to remove the first one. And now the second ionization energy will be higher again because after you remove the first one, it will be 2p3. And then when it's in the 2p3 state, it already have a half-filled circle. It doesn't want to get rid of their electron anymore. So the ionization will be higher in 2p3. Alright, now oxygen 2p4, and you know that its first ionization energy is relatively low. Now let's look at something with 2p6, neon. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Alright, over here it has 2p6, which is a full outer circle. The outer circle is full and it's very stable. So it doesn't want one of its electrons to be removed. So if you really want to remove them, the ionization energy will be very high since it has a full shell already. So that's basically the concept you need to understand about ionization energy. We're going to be learning more about this concept later. Thank you for watching.